Yaobang Group water tank fire truck. Based on Dongfeng motor chassis, the body is small and flexible, highly mobile, easily handle complex road conditions, quickly reach the front line of the fire. Equipped with national VI standard diesel engine, with high flow fire pump, professional fire cannon with a range of more than 50 meters, jet stabilization, fire suppression is efficient. The tank is made of super-grade carbon steel, robust construction, collision prevention, longer service life, intelligent control system, integrated remote throttle, multi-channel meter display, simple and intuitive operation, rolling shutter door quick opening design, LED lighting system, reversing image assistance. Every detail will reflect Yaobang's ultimate pursuit of efficient dispatch. Yaobang Group empowers fire protection with technology. Use strength to protect safety.